Hey, Skintelligent family. It's your girl, Morgan, and welcome back to another episode of the Skintelligent Sundays podcast. This month, we're diving deep into something that doesn't get enough attention in our community, the skin barrier. Think of it as your skin's armor, your body's first line of defense against the outside world. When it's healthy, your skin feels soft, hydrated, and calm, but when it's damaged, you'll start noticing dryness, tightness, dark marks that don't fade, and that constant cycle of breakouts or irritation that just won't let up. See, melanin skin naturally holds more lipids, which means it can stay hydrated longer if we care for it right. But the moment we strip it with harsh exfoliants, overuse actives, or skip moisturizing, we compromise that beautiful barrier. So this week, I want you to pay attention to your skin's behavior. Does it burn when you apply your products? Does it feel rough, flaky, or dull? Those are early signs that your barrier might need some love. Now next week, we'll talk about how to restore that barrier because healthy skin starts from within. And if this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who's been saying their skin feels off lately. And don't forget to grab my book, Love a Melanated Skincare Guide. It's packed with tips for building routines that protect and repair our skin. So until next Sunday, stay hydrated, stay glowing, and stay skin-intelligent.
Dream of a land my soul is from. I hear a hand stroke on the drum. Shades of daylight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Two lovers are face to face with undulating grace. Gently sway and slip away to some secluded place. Shades of delight, cocoa blue, rich as the night, afro blue. of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Ooh. Rich as the night, afro blow. Two lovers are face to face with undulating grace. In jelly sway slip away to some secluded place. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Dream of a land my soul is from. I hear a hand stroke on the drum. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Two lovers are face to face with undulating grace. Gently sway and slip away to some secluded place. Shades of delight.